Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So you join us on the drive down towards Woburn. We're going to hit the Bando today, meeting up with Jackalas to see if we can have a bit of a nice relaxing FPV evening and hit some decent gaps. So give us 5 minutes, we'll be there, and I hope you enjoy.
To keep me quiet as they dig a hole in my chest. Every piece of me wants to fight it when they say I get feeling too blessed. And when I take a turn for the better, I still live with a safety net. How can I be living from center and only feel like a silhouette? Pull me down, pick me up, send me a location, anywhere that makes me feel something. I'm nervous and my hands are shaking, but I still don't want you saving. But that's what you get inside city, where hearts weigh heavy on the soul. And everybody's out here for the taking, while they sell us out for fame and fool's gold. Welcome you to Sad City, where we feel the illusion of control. And I know I'm too far gone for saving, but I'm easier to say when I'm alone. City, I don't mind it. Everybody wants to be the best. Every piece of me tries to deny it as I put every feeling to rest. Everybody wants to get all of the answers. We're too used to being silhouettes. Tell me, how can we find something better if we never try to reinvent? Pull me down, pick me up, send me a location, anywhere that makes me feel something. I'm nervous and my hands are shaking, but I still don't want you saving. But that's what you get in Sad City, where hearts weigh heavy on the soul. Everybody's out here for the taking, while they sell us out for fame and fool's gold. But the best welcome you to Sad City, where we feel the illusion of control. And I know I'm too far gone for saving, but I'm easier to save when I'm alone. The best welcome you to Sad City, where we feel the illusion of control. And I know I'm too far gone for saving, but I'm easier to save when I'm alone. Of control. And I know I'm too far gone for saving, but I'm easier to save when I'm alone. The best welcome you to Sad City, where we feel the illusion of control. And I know I'm too far gone for saving, but I'm easier to save when I'm alone.